Hello and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Today, in this exclusive story, we will show you what is actually happening at the Patra Devi checkpost at Goa border. To enter Goa, the RT-PCR certificate is mandatory. But at Patra Devi checkpost, those who do not have their RT-PCR negative certificate can enter Goa by undergoing an antigen test by paying just 280 rupees per person. Is antigen test reports enough to enter Goa? Is this antigen result 100% sure? Goa has not reported a single case of Delta plus variant of COVID-19 yet, but the 122 samples of the Directorate of Health Services had sent to the GEOMS sequencing to the National Institute of Rheology, Pune. The testing results of 72 samples have been received, while one set of these samples had already been received earlier. 40 more samples were received, out of which 38 of the Delta variant of COVID-19 and 2 are of the Kappa variant. Now we will show you the actual scene at Patra Devi checkpost. Look at these visuals. See the number of vehicles entering the state through this border. This is how those vehicles are stopped and from where they are later checked for their RT-PCR test reports. Those who have a negative certificate are allowed to enter, while those who fail to produce the RT-PCR negative certificate are then directed to testing counters at the checkpost. The passengers from the vehicles have to fill a form and proceed to undergo an antigen test wherein the reports are available within 20 to 30 minutes. Those found negative are allowed to enter Goa, while those whose reports aren't negative are sent for medical treatment. While there are cases of Delta variant reported in the neighboring states like Maharashtra and Karnataka, still people are allowed to enter the state with just an antigen test. Speaking to the on-duty police officer of Patra Devi checkpost, N. Thakur said, due to the state-level curfew imposed in Goa, the number of vehicles entering Goa are less. On an average, around 70 to 50 vehicles enter Goa on daily basis. Watch to what he has to say.
आता तुमच्या हा कोहे चालू हा चेकिंग बी
आम्ही चेकिंग चालू ह्या हॉटेल चालू आसा पळय ती चेकिंग येता ते लोकांची चेकिंग करता निगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट आसा पळय तांकां आमी एलाव करता जाका निगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट ना तांकां एलाव करिना आतां कोण समजा बाय चुकून येयल्यात जाल्यार तांकां आतां एंटी टेस्ट आहा थंयसर ते एंटी टेस्ट करपाक थंयसर धाडटा
टेस्ट करपाक कितलो टायमान तेंचो रिजल्ट येता मागीर
आतां तेंचो टेस्ट तेंच्या कडेन डिपेंड आहा तो कशें करता ते डिपेंड तेंच्याकडे कोणाकडे एंटी टेस्ट स्टाफ आहा पळय त्यांच्याकडे डिपेंड
ओके आता दिसाक अदमासान आता कितल्यो गाडयो येतात
आज दिसाक कमीत कमी 40-50 70
आता लॉकडाऊन झालेल्या उण्यो जाल्या न्हू
आता उणे जाल्या
आणि आता आता आयज सॅटर्डे संडे म्हटल्यार सुबेज गाडयो येयल्या
येता येता एकदा येता एकदा येना
ओके ओके
एकदा येता
So today we reached at the Patra Devi checkpost to check whether every person entering, every vehicle entering has been tested with regards to RT-PCR or other tests. So in that we also spoke to the police inspector Thakur, who revealed that every person's RT-PCR is checked and those who do not have a test result have to go for an antigen test, and then after the results come, then only they are allowed to move into Goa. However, he also said that those exiting, they do not check over here. They will check at the other next check post. But while entering, anyone entering Goa through Patra Devi check post, they check their COVID negative certificate, or else if they don't have, they have to go for an antigen test at the check post itself.
The Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, on Saturday also visited the state border at Keri Satari to oversee the COVID-19 testing facilities set up as a part of the measure against COVID-19 and implementation of the protocols at the border by the government officials managing them. As a part of precautionary measures against the spread of the Delta variant, plus strain of COVID-19, the state government had resumed mandatory testing for every person entering Goa via the road neighboring Karnataka and Maharashtra in a view of the Delta plus variant cases found in these two neighboring states. He has said at the border, which is at Jans, Karnataka, Sawant said that private laboratories have been roped in to set up testing facilities as a precautionary against the Delta plus variant of this virus. These are the rapid antigens that are being conducted. Looks like South Goa is bracing up for another battle against the double tracking, with the civil society members, including Panchayat, voicing their opposition to the South Western Railway proposal to acquire other areas in Kansaulim, Welsau, and Arosim. Some of the people said that they are totally have condemned the proposal to acquire more land. The transportation of coal is not only against wishes of Goans, but also a threat to the very existence of humanity. If our government fails to drop this plan, then our future generation will hold it responsible for the mass extinction of various species and endangering the lives of our children. Watch this special story. So as we all know now, there's a big storm that is brewing up in South Goa over the Southwestern Railway's land acquisition proposal. That is now even the civic society, including the Panchayat, have threatened to agitate if people's voices are suppressed. So what you have to say on this?
We have to see government first step as a first. It's a conspiracy to say start with. It's a conspiracy because see, government has come up with NSA just 10 days back.
Okay.
Now, was this for this very purpose to suppress the voices of people, to threaten them? You see, NSA was basically pushed onto South Goa only,
Hmm.
and the land acquisition which has been proposed is also in South Goa. So if you see the past trends of government, not only in state but across the nations, what
Hmm.
these people is doing, they are largely into intimidating people. They are
Okay.
threatening them.
Okay.
They are threatening. We have seen what happened during IIT agitation in
Yes.
Madauli.
Yes.
They had not shied away even from beating up our own people.
Correct.
So we had not stopped then, we will not stop now also.
Okay.
We have to show them this government, we have to show them where their place. They cannot
Okay.
be intimidating people. This is a clear indication, this is a barometer. See, this is a clear indication where our state government is feeling helpless, weak.
Okay. What is the next step of the locals if this issue continues and if the government goes ahead with this proposal?
Coming on streets, what else options we have? Either
Hmm.
knock on the doors of the court or
Hmm.
come on street or jointly both. We have to be, see, we cannot be we cannot be treating like a second class citizen. Goans cannot be treated like second class citizen. When we
Yes.
are saying we don't want it, it has to be respected. No,
Hmm.
it has to be respected, it has to be honored. But
Yes.
unfortunately, these people are coming to Goa, our state government is supporting them.
Hmm.
They are not at all taking our viewpoints, our demands, our requests. They are not honoring it.
Subsequently, we had land acquisition proceedings, which were initiated by Rail Vikas Nigam through the Deputy Collector Mormugao,
Hmm.
he being the competent authority. And we have Goenso Accord, Goa Foundation, Wakat, so many other organizations joined us actually in this fight to assist the villagers in opposing, this, to show them the legal way. We had a couple of meetings. We had Goenso Accord had 74 meetings across the villages in Goa. We had panchayats supporting us. So many resolutions have been passed by the panchayats. Okay. Thereafter, we had the CEC report, which is a very important factor in this whole saga. That it was they have given a recommendation that double tracking be scrapped in totality. Okay. Now, despite this, all this protest, public protest, and even the legal team coming to into action, then the CEC report. Despite all this, the railway authorities and the Goa government, prodded by, of course, by the capitalists, are intent, hell bent to construct this, Right now we are undergoing so much misery. You know, the whole night we have 7, 8 trains. We call them rakes actually in technical terms. They pass through loaded with coal, overloaded with coal, and our atmosphere is polluted. There is noise pollution. The groundwater is polluted. Okay, and we are suffering. The local villages are suffering. What is the benefit for us? The CM has gone on record in the last assembly session, the previous one, stating that 90 additional trains will be applying on the once the double track is commissioned. Now, what are these the 90 additional trains? These are nothing but to transport coal. We are in touch with the local panchayats. The local panchayat bodies, you know, irrespective of whichever party affiliation they have, they say this is a matter of life and death for us as villagers. And we will go to any extent required legally, you know, to peaceful means or through legal this to counter this move by the railway authorities and the Goa government, which is we understand. You know, I had myself had around 5 to 6 meetings with the chief minister himself. That the railways are going ahead with their agenda, it shows that the government of Goa is spineless. I can very well state this because I have been party to so many meetings and negotiations, which have all been so far been there have not been any benefit to us as such. It is rather a waste of time. So now we know what exactly to be done. We cannot be taken for granted as villagers. We know, but we will not divulge what is our next step to you right now because we are still in talks with so many other organizations.
Recently, they have come up that they want to scrap the land acquisition of Savarde, Kakora, because the fields are getting destroyed. It is correct. Yeah, okay, fields are, but here in Kansauli, Arosi, Majorda, Uttarda, the houses are getting destroyed. With the southwestern railway double track, with that expansion, whatever is going to happen, people's houses, the track and the basically what you say after the track, there is some what you say some area which they will keep it for the meaning like the protected area, whatever they will mark it as a area. So that area, people living rooms, some people's balconies in Kansauli, the very old ancestral chapel in Arosi, which will get destroyed. The railway will pass right to the doorstep of the track will pass to the doorstep of their this thing houses. Why do we need a second track? That is a big question mark. Okay. Why do we need a second track? We don't need it. On the single track, we have explained to these people long back ago, there is a Konkan Railway single track and Southwestern also one track is there. On the Konkan Railway, there are more than 20-30 trains per day passing. So what is the use of another track? So there is no use. Government is trying to trying to push this project. Maybe they have some other motives behind it. Maybe some funding for the next coming elections with the big corporates houses, big corporate houses, and some industrialists and all. Maybe all those things. But the thing is, like, we are opposing it, and we will still oppose it because it will destroy an entire environment. And the CEC has clearly stated that this double tracking is not needed. Is not cannot take place also because the forest, the fields, the houses, they have gone all along the track. The CEC, which was appointed by the Supreme Court, has given the clear statement. Still then the government, maybe there are a lot of things like what I have said. They have some benefits maybe. So because of that, they want to go ahead with it. Whatever has been coming on the street, that will be there now, because now recently they have put in command this NASA, meaning National Security Act. This is to sabotage the movement of the people, to make people frightened. It's basically in South Goa also. I don't understand now what is the threat in South Goa and North Goa. So North Goa, they say nothing is there. So what is there in South Goa? See, NASA is a National Security Act, which has to apply for the whole state. If the state is under danger or whatever, not a district, the South Goa. So that means they have some motives to start the railway work or maybe this CZMP plan hearing, there is some motive of the government to, when people are objecting, to throw them inside the jail under this NASA. So this is the thing what they want to do.
Lutolim villages, including tenant association farmers, fisher folks, Komunidad, and village panchayat members demanded the postponement of the draft Coastal Zone Management Plan public hearing conveyed by Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority at South Goa Planning and Development Authority ground on the 8th of July, claiming that it is impossible most of them to participate. Watch.
आमगे टेन एसोसिएशनचो एक मेंबर आनी हांव जायती शेत रोयता जाल्यार मुगे भुरगेपणासान आमी बांदा काम करता आमगेले पाय काम करतालो शेपाय काम करतालो जेन्ना हांव 15-16 वर्सां तेन्ना बांदा करता तेणी जायत कास्ती घेवन बांद तयार करून दवरलो आहाय जेन्ना हांव धाकलो आसतना हांव चोयतालो परतून फावंडी पडटाली ते बांदाक आनी जायत कास्ती घेवन तेणी ते बांद सांबाळून दवरले तेंच फाटल्यान आतां जायत 30 वर्सां मात जालीं हांव हे मनीस घेवन बांदा बांद सांबाळटा आनी बांदा काम करताय आनी फाल्यां जरी तर तें दोरया ड्रेजिंग केलो आनी पोंदाक आयलो हे आमगे बांद मोडो शकताय जर आमगे शेतां सगळें लुकसाण जावपा शकता हाजून आमगेले नुस्तें वता हें नुस्तें मारूं मेळना जावपा शकता जायते दुसरे आमी आमगेले आख्ख्या गोंया भितर हे हाजनान जितली पीक जाता ती म्हाका सदां खूंय जायना आनी जितलें आमी शेत रोयताय तितलें आमी त्या शेताचेर आमी जियेताय हांव जितली शेत रोयता तितलें आमकां तें पीक वर्सभर आमकां जेवपा मेळटा आनी दुसरें आमकां कोणाक विकपा मेळटा आनी हाल जरी तर हें जालें बांद जर मोडले आनी बांद जर गेले आनी तेणी तर आमकां अशें करून आतां ह्या टायमार जरी तर आमकां तेणी मिटींग दवरल्या पब्लीक हियरींग दवरला आतां हे आमगेले जून आनी जुलय म्हयन्या रोवपाचें मागीर पावट घालपाचें हेडोवपाचें तें काम आमी शेतां काम करतले वो मिटींग वयतले अप्रोच पयलो दुसरो हाल जरी तर तेणी आमकां हें तेंगे तो CZMP प्लॅन पास केलो आनी बांद सोली गेले मागीर आमी कितें जातलें
तेका मोबायल आहा तेका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन आहा घरा कडेन आमी बाबा पंजाबा भशेन ते व्हडले कास्ताचे हे फार्मर न्हू आमी गरीब फार्मर आमी म्हाजे हाडले फायल रोयलें पयलू पडलें शिजोयलें जेवलें असलें आमी फार्मर सो आमचे सरकारान मातशें आपणें दोड घडून एटलिस्ट आपणा गोंयकारां लोकां पासत गोंयचे पासत तर सरकार आहा जाल्यार हो 8 तारखेर आहा तें हियरींग मातशें तेणें बंद करचें फुडलें तेणें फुडली खंयची तारीख धरून पावस काबार जातरी पॅन्डेमीक लेस जातरी ती थारायची आनी सगळें बरे भाशेन करचें
आयज आमी लोटले गांवचे सगळे स्टेक होल्डर्स जावं टेनन्स असोसिएशन जावं फार्मर्स जावं कुमदाद वो जावं इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटीव सगळे आमी मेळोन सरकाराक एक आमची मागणी सरकाराशी पावोवपाक सोदताय आनी ही मागणी कसली 8 तारखेर जें पब्लीक हियरींग आहा तें सरकारान ताबडतोब फुडें व्हरचें इतली बेगीन न्ही पावस काबार जाले उपरांत आनी पॅन्डेमीक एक फावटी सारको स्लो डावन वो झिरो पावले उपरांत कित्याक इतली केसीस जाले आमचे रामिरोन सांगलां की इतली डेथ जालें गोंयांत आनीक आमकां डेथ जावपा नाकाय सेकंड पॉयंट पब्लीक हियरींग आमकां जायें आनीक अदीक करून पब्लीक हियरींग आमकां जायें जो आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांनी जो ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन रेडी केल्लो ते प्लॅनाचेर कित्याक हांव एकूच सरकाराक सांगूंक सोदतां सरकारान आपली तकली उजार करून सरकारान WRD ऑफिशल्सांक सगळे गोंयचे एक पंचायतीन तांणी WRD ऑफिशल्स धाडलेले आनी प्लॅन तयार करपाक आमचे पंचायताचे मेंबर जावं तुगेले फार्मर्स जावं तुगेले टेनन्स असोसिएशन सगळ्यांनी हातबोड घातलो आहा सगळ्यांनी इन्फॉर्मेशन WRD ऑफिशलांक दिल्लें आहा आनी हे WRD ऑफिशल्सांनी सर्वे प्लॅनाचेर बरे भाशेन प्लॅन तयार केल्ले आहाय सो सरकाराक आमची एकूच मागणी की सरकार जरी हियरींग करूंक सोदता जाल्यार तांणी जे पंचायत लेवल प्लॅन तयार जाल्यात तेजेर तांणी हें पब्लीक हियरींग घेवचें दुसरी मागणी इतली बेगीन नाका कित्याक पॅन्डेमिकांक तरी नाकाच आनी पावस पडटा आसतना नाकाच आमचो हिपोलितूय सांगतालो की फुडल्या म्हयन्यान जरी पावस पडलो जाल्यार आमचे सगळे शेतकार भाव हे दिसांनी शेत रोयतात म्हणून शेत रोयता आसतना आमच्या फार्मर्सांक जावं टेनन्स असोसिएशन कोण मेंबर आहाय तांकां कोणाकूच आपलें हें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा तें सरकाराक थिंग दवरपाक तांकां वेळ मेळपाना वो तांकां नाल्यार शेतांतलो टायम सोडून वचचें पडटलें सो आमची सरकाराक आमची खोर विनंती की जाता तितले बेगीन हें पब्लीक हियरींग तेणी फूल दवरचें आनीक हे पब्लीक हियरींग आमचे गांवच्या लोकांनी जे ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन तयार केले तेजेर पब्लीक हियरींग करचें देव बरें करूं.
Well, with that, we have come to the end of today's news bulletin. For more news and updates, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, HCN Goa, or follow us for much more alerts on Twitter and Facebook at Oharaldo Goa. Until then, stay safe and take care.